Very good afternoon to all friends, colleagues, scientists, clinicians, renowned medical profession, members of the medical fraternity from our country. It's indeed a great honor and pride for me to be standing in front of you to share the reason and the inspiration which brought Cadila Pharmaceuticals to sponsor on an ongoing basis something which we have lived, something which you saw the film of my father, you saw various clippings of the humble story of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, a company that he and my mother nurtured, built as if it was a baby, nurtured the baby to make it into a giant, one of India's largest privately held pharmaceutical companies. But a lot of pain, a lot of suffering, a lot of hard work, a lot of devotion, a lot of giving went into creation of this huge entity. We are very proud at Cadila Pharmaceuticals that we can provide the highest quality of medicines. We are very proud at Cadila Pharmaceuticals that the Cadila Pharmaceuticals brand medicines are affordable for people in India and in all the markets that we service around the world. But more importantly, as we grew up over the 60 years, we benefited from the inspiration of my father, a person who has spent a lot of his time building not only Cadila, but sowing the seeds of what the whole pharmaceutical industry in India is proud about. The basket for making medicines which are not only sold in India, but sold and used by people around the world. His continuous devotion, his inspiration, his vision, and his persistence not only to make medicines, but understand for the last 60 years that discovery of new medicines is based in deep-rooted science, technology, and medicine. And so at Cadila, for over 15 plus years, when India was trying to increase exports, when Indian companies were trying to sell in regulated markets in Europe and America. Whilst Cadila Pharmaceuticals succeeded in doing all that, Cadila Pharmaceuticals continued to spend lots and lots of resources on innovation. And therefore, with the hard work of a lot of our scientists, the dedication and spirit of all the scientists and technologists at the company, with partnerships with accomplished scientific laboratories of our country, we were lucky. We were lucky because a lot of people do science, a lot of people are dedicated, a lot of people are persistent and patient. But Cadila Pharmaceuticals, under the inspiration, leadership, devotion of my father and all of us, was proud to bring into our country something that all of us should be proud about. We are proud about it, but I think we should, all of us, be proud, because this was celebration of Indian science. We brought, as we saw in the film Polycap, an innovation in the area of cardiovascular disease. We brought to the world Rizurin, an innovation in the treatment of tuberculosis. And we brought to the world Mycidax-C, an innovation in the treatment of non-small cell lung cancer. Now, for a small company in global standards, this is unusual. This is unreal. Therefore, I say these events have been not only hard work and persistence and lots of resources, but also the blessings of the Almighty. So Cadila is blessed. Cadila is blessed to bring 3 innovations in the world. But that inspiration, that success in working together in science and technology with the clinicians, that success of working together in science and technology with regulatory bodies, to go through the evolution of innovation in our country has brought us the confidence of our success of public-private partnership. The confidence that we were able not only to make affordable generics and affordable branded medicines, but we at Cadila demonstrated to the world that even innovation can be made affordable. So all these three innovations, Polycap, Rizorin, and Mycid-XC, which are symbols of the passion, innovation, which is deep-rooted in this wonderful company called Cadila Pharmaceuticals, are based on resulting in what we in the Cadila family call affordable miracles. It was this success that gave us the confidence of sharing across our country with clinicians of repute, with clinicians who have accomplished by not only treating and healing patients, but have made forays into discovery. With young medical doctors who are just either completing their studies or going to start up practicing, bring them and create a forum under the banner of IAMICON. It happens to be initials of my father, but we want to celebrate Indian science. We want to create a forum, a platform, and make it sustainable. So the company has sponsored this institution called IAMICON, where as we speak, over the next 2 weekends, in 49 cities, 300 different accomplished clinicians and speakers, scientists, most of them from our country and few from around the world, will share their experiences of how they have brought something new to India. Cadila Pharmaceuticals and IAMICON want to provide a platform, for Indian scientists and use this to celebrate their successes. So I'm very, very proud and happy that we have been able to energize Cadila. We've got the support from Cadila Pharmaceuticals, and as we speak, starting from this year, across the country, and then every year, IAMICON will celebrate Indian science. So I want to welcome all of you. I want to thank all of you for coming, and I wanted to thank especially some of the senior doctors who are going to share their thoughts on this occasion. Thank you very much.